this tutorial we are going to learn about HTML basic. So in that case, initially we are going to discuss about how to save the document, how to view the HTML document, and how to edit the HTML document. So initially the documents. So if we talk about the documents, so initially we need to create the HTML document. At the creation, while you are creating the HTML document, there are two important things you need to consider. The first one is the doc type HTML. So however the HTML document will be start with doc type HTML keyword. So the second thing is the HTML document will start with HTML element and it will end with the HTML close element. This is starting tag, this is end tag. At the same time, the visible part of the HTML document is body. So however, whatever the content that you add to the body, that will be displayed in the output of the HTML. So we need to consider these 3 points. First one is the declaration. So how for declare the HTML, we use the doc type HTML, and the HTML document will be start with HTML and end with close HTML. And also the body is the only visible part of the HTML document. So for example, this is the sample code I have displayed here. So here we can check the doc type HTML. So it that already, as I already explained, the HTML document will start with doc type HTML keyword. Then after the HTML, it will start with the HTML. Here the HTML is closed. So we know the close tag type, if the slash is used here, then it is close tag. Then the visible part is body. See here the body part is there. So we will practically I will practically demonstrate how to do this. So for that, so initially what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the start, and here I'm going to use Notepad++. It's okay, you can use Notepad or VS Code or whatever. So in my case, I'm just going to use Notepad++. So here I'm going to go to start and open Notepad++. So here I have the Notepad also. So I'm going to go to here and open the Notepad++. So once I open the Notepad++, I will get an environment like this. So initially we need to save this document. Notepad++ document as HTML web page. For that, so you need to go to file and go to save as. In here you can see, you can select the particular extract location where you need to save. I select my desktop. Here you can see, you can rename the file, new HTML. I just type new HTML here. Save as type should be. Here you need to select hypertext markup language. You can see the hypertext markup language is here. So you can select this and you can save this. You can type the initially you need to type doc type HTML. Then after the open HTML. If you open whatever tag, then you need to close the tag, close HTML. So I have opened and I have closed the tag. Then in between HTML tag, you need to insert the head. Initially the head, open head and close head. In between the open and close head, the title should be there. Title open, title close. So you can close this tag. And after the head, there is one more element. It's called body. It's the only visible part of the HTML document. Already we have discussed body tag. So this is the basic syntax of HTML. So initially we need to type this basic syntax, and you can update, you can save this. And now we are going to check whether the document is successfully saved or not. So for that I have already saved this document. This document's name is new HTML. I have saved this document in my desktop. So I'm going to go to the desktop and see the new HTML document. See, the document is saved as the web page. So I'm just going to open this web page. So see here, the document is open but nothing is visible. So here we can see, to change this tab name, we can insert my doc. So to change the tab name, you need to insert a title. So in between the open and close title tag, you can type whatever term you want. So here I just use my doc, and you can save this. And now you can go to the browser, and here you can refresh. See, the particular title was updated. Right. So this is what the basics. This is the basic way of creating the HTML document and save and check the output. So we will discuss the further things in the next video. Thank you.